Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today I'm in Protaras in the main road. There's the main road, guys, going up to where the restaurants are and all the pubs and clubs, and there's the new Andreotis Apartments. Let's go through the bar first, guys. So this place has undergone massive refurbishment, guys. Go around here, shall we? So the bar is now open. It says bar open too late, serving drinks and snacks to 2 AM. We came and had the breakfast here, didn't we, last year, I do believe, and a dinner. Look out for the video, I forgot about the dinner. Delish. So there's a lovely little restaurant. Oh, let's go down the steps and then up the slope. So there's the restaurant, guys, there's the stage, lots of entertainment in the evenings. Let's have a look at their menu, see what they're offering. So you can have a full English breakfast at $7.95. CJ's Mega Special. Oh, what's that? That's massive, look at that, $12.95. Free bacon, sausage, eggs, oh, massive. 2 eggs on toast, $3.60. Very reasonable. On the grill, guys, you can have chicken jumbo pork chop at $13.95, chicken kebab $11.95, mixed grill $22.95. Lots and lots of stuff on the mixed grill. There's a massive kids menu as well, look at that, around €5. Well, that's a good idea. Look, one child eats free, accompanied by 2 adults. That's a good idea. Delish Sunday roast, guys, at $11.95. There's desserts. Oh, jacket potatoes, look at that, around €7. Burgers. List goes on and on. Oh, loaded chips and chili con carne. Right, let's go up the slope. Oh, I do like the slope. So up the slope, you can see some of these refurbished rooms. There are massive verandas. Right, let's go around the pool area, have a look around. Oh, this has all been tidied up now. I remember coming through this area and it was a building site. Look at it now, all lovely and tidy. Let's go around the pool. So a gentle slope going into the pool. Massive hicklety-picklety pool. So this is a lovely pool, isn't it?
Right, it is.
And you're one of our viewers, aren't you?
I am, I'm Lisa.
Hi Lisa. It's nice and quiet here, isn't it? And by the way, it's partly been refurbished down that other side. But the side you're on, and I called it the little bungalows, that hasn't been refurbished, has it?
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
But unfortunately, the boats are still...
It's still very nice, isn't it? Isn't it lovely round here? I love the gardens, and we're going to have a look round your room.
Yes.
And your lovely husband has told me you've hidden the crisps. Yeah, she got in advance, guys, just to hide the crisps. So where are we going?
In this one.
Bungalow number 6. Oh, fluffy towels. Oh, just some steps, 3 steps to go up, and then we're in, aren't we? Oh, brand new doors.
Brand new doors.
So where you can go bleep, bleep. Oh, latest technology. So, wow, it's big, isn't it? It's not bad at all. Look at that. I still can't find the crisps. Oh, she's left them out, look, on the table. So we've got a lovely TV, and this is what I do like. Conveniently located chairs.
Yeah, that was over there, but we put it over there for little one so she can put her phone and a drink on there.
Good
and then she's
idea.
in bed.
Yeah, great. So this is like a sofa bed,
Yeah.
makes it into a double bed.
Yeah.
Or if no one's with you, it can be a settee,
Yeah,
can't
you can
it?
use it as a sofa. Yeah,
Yeah, sofa there, and then TV. Like a lounge, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It's like a lounge. We've got a little kitchenette, so if you fancy breakfast, you can have your breakfast here, can't you? You don't have to go out, do you?
We've just been out this morning and bought some bread.
Oh, you bought some bits and pieces. That's a good idea.
Yeah, just to have a bit.
Yeah, just to have a bit of breakfast or something like that. And then your tea bags. Look, you bought your tea bags and stuff. It's all here.
One of them at least.
Wow, look how big that bed is. It's enormous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. So there are 2 single beds, and then it becomes a massive double, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Not a
that's
tubble,
right, yeah.
a double. And then all your amenities here. Where's the bathroom? Or do you have to go in the swimming pool?
Just here.
Oh, you have
well,
got a bathroom.
The cupboards are really big here as
The
well.
cupboards are enormous,
Yeah,
aren't
so
they?
you open them up, I've got
oh.
my stuff in and that.
Oh wow, look at that.
Still loads of room.
Oh, I do like those
Massive.
colours. Oh, look at that.
Massive, look.
It is massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
You have a safety deposit box.
Oh,
safe
have you got a
And that's free as well.
Oh, where's that? Oh,
Just
that's
on the
under
bottom
bottom. Oh, aren't they lovely and neat? Look at those clothes, lovely and neat, aren't they? Let's have a look at your
And
bathroom
then the
then.
bathroom's there.
Oh, look at this. Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Corner shower there, quite roomy. Oh, it's really nice. Well, you've got a lovely view, haven't you?
Yeah.
Lovely gardens, and look at the size of this balcony. It's enormous. Fluffy towels everywhere. Beautiful. Right, let's carry on round, shall we? Oh, what's going on? Let's go and have a look. And I think that's reception down there. Let's go and have a look, shall we? There's another refurbished room there on the right. Beautiful new curtains. So, oh look. Now look out for the video, guys. This is a great pool party. It's the J Mercury pool party every Wednesday. They do the Sunday roast, as I pointed out. Oh, 1 minute, they've got bingo Friday and Tuesdays. Like a bit of bingo. And, oh, what's that? Oh, best milkshake. Right, through the lovely new reception. Oh, I do like these tiles, mosaic tiles. They'd be nice in the pool. Isn't they lovely? Okay. Right, so we're out the front. We're going to go down this slope out to the main road. Oh, I do like the slope up to reception. It is nice. Lovely and quiet round here, guys. So here's the main road. Lidl's is not too far up the road if you want to do a bit of shopping. Of course, there's Holly Hire across the road. You can hire anything you want from Holly Hire. There's little scooters down there, mobility scooters. There's prams. There's kiddies chairs for the car. There's all sorts of stuff in Holly Hire. And of course, if you go in this direction, you come to A Napa. And of course, again, we've got a bus stop outside. So I hope you enjoyed that little visit to Andreotis Hotel and Apartments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.